In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer videos in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know how to place one video on top of another to create clean, picture-in-picture effects or simple overlays that look polished and professional. Start by opening Adobe Express and creating a new video project. If you're prompted to choose a canvas size, pick the one that matches where you'll share your video, like widescreen for desktop viewing or vertical for mobile. This helps your layers fit correctly from the start. Once your project is open, you'll see the main canvas in the middle, with tools along the sides. Next, upload your first video. This will act as the background, so choose the clip you want filling the scene behind everything else. You can drag and drop it onto the canvas, or use the upload option. If it doesn't fill the canvas automatically, select the clip and scale it up so it covers the background cleanly without black bars. Take a quick glance at the corners to make sure nothing important is being cropped out. Now, click Media and add your second video to the canvas. This is the clip that will sit on top of the background. After you choose your file, Adobe Express may take a moment to process it, and then it will appear right on your canvas as a separate element. Think of it as a new layer placed above the background layer. Select that top video, then resize and reposition it to fit your design. To resize, drag from the corners to keep the proportions looking natural. For a picture-in-picture look, move it to a corner and give it some breathing room from the edges. If you want it more prominent, place it near the center and adjust until it feels balanced. Watch for alignment guides that appear as you drag. They're helpful for keeping things straight and consistent. If your overlay isn't visible or appears behind the background, use the Layers panel or right-click the clip and choose Bring to Front. In the Layers panel, make sure the overlay is above the background by dragging it higher in the stack. With right-click, Bring to Front instantly places it on top, ensuring it's fully visible. Give everything a quick preview to confirm the timing and placement look right, then make any final tweaks to size and position. That's all it takes to layer videos in Adobe Express. Create your project, set your background, add your overlay, adjust its placement, and bring it to the front when needed.